Welcome to Herman Hits the Road. I'm Ads.
And I'm Zoe.
And this is Storm Dennis. It is the 15th of February. We just had Valentine's yesterday, and we are currently at Chichester Camping and Caravanning Club site, right near Chichester Harbour, area of outstanding natural beauty.
Yes.
The campsite has
58 pitches, 42 hard standing.
Yes, it's quite a small campsite, very compact, and it's quite lovely here. We've been here a few times, but this weekend it's going to be ruined by this guy, this windy fellow. Last time we came here was actually windy as well, and all the fences were blown down. But yeah, so there's a lovely place just over there, just across the road, and where you can do some walks and some cycling, and it's right on the coast there, so we're quite near Hayling Island and Thorney Island, and we can walk around or just visit in the car, just a few minutes in the car, from West Wittering, which is very lovely. And Hayling Island, I think I've just mentioned that.
Oh, sorry. The only thing is you've got the A259 main road just next door, haven't you? So it's quite noisy.
Yeah, so you don't want to we don't want to pitch right near the end over there, but we're right at the top of the campsite, right near the windy bit. Right at the front of the campsite is the toilet block and shower. There's the entrance with the reception just around the side there. This is the toilets, and around the corner there are the showers. They're separate, it's a bit weird. This area here is where you get your fresh water and empty all your waste.
There's little Herman at Witterings, West Witterings, near the beach. Hello, Herman.
It's very windy here, right on the beach. Almost got my feet wet in this water here, this estuary. Just over there is Hayling Island. Out in that direction. Out in that direction is the English Channel. But look at those waves! That is Chaz getting his feet wet. You're mad! It's only water, he says. What is he doing? It's Reginald Perry. He's just walking in the surf. I don't think his trousers or his boots are waterproof. I'm being blown along here. So this is Clarence, and Chaz is gonna throw the ball. As you may have guessed, it's a bit wet now, but I don't even think we're a quarter of the way around. Found a dryish spot out of the wind, and right next door to all this sandbank. So the whole of East Head is made up of sand. It is a sand spit, and all the shingle. And if we can get closer, look at this. I don't know why I'm fascinated by this, but yeah, obviously just sand, and it just collapses. Is it me? I don't know, it just fascinates me that, oh, look at this bit here. Yeah, maybe I shouldn't start destroying the beach, or East Head. So what do you think of this beach weather we're having then?
It's absolutely...
I'm going to try it over here.
It's lovely. I tell you what I'm going to do in a minute. I'm going to strip off and have a sunbathe.
Tell me, do that after we've moved on. I don't want to be seeing that. Welcome everybody to Storm Dennis. So Storm Dennis has been, and I think he's gone now.
I think he's still here, isn't he, more love?
Well, it's still raining, but last night was really windy. It's like Herman was rocking for the wrong reasons.
Is that you?
I think his new suspension helped though.
Yes.
It wasn't like leaning like this. It was like.
But my
kind of-
mind does go into overdrive, doesn't it?
Oh,
well, it
Did it
wakes
keep
me
you up then?
and then I think, oh gosh, he's going to be upside down or something.
Which wheels in the air?
Yeah, I get a little bit silly in that respect.
I think it. I didn't have a good sleep last night. Whether or not it was the weather, I don't know.
The beer.
It could have been the beer because last night ourselves, Chaz, Liz, and Clarence went to the pub which is next door, the Traveller's Joy.
Yeah,
Traveller's
very nice.
Traveller's Joy, very nice in there, and it's like 20 yards up the road,
Yeah,
so it's
that's
not very
lucky.
far. And the food was amazing, and we all had a main course and a dessert, didn't we? But
Lovely
the
ice
fish and chips, the fish was about that big. It was almost the size of a whale, I thought. And the pies all short crust, all surrounded, and I had a game and you had a steak and kidney. It was very nice. Very. Oh, and I had the
And Clarence, what we might have to point out, is a dog, and he had a little goodie bag, didn't he, to take away?
yes, a nice slab of fish for his dinner. But yeah, the rhubarb crumble. Oh my goodness, that was very good. Didn't share it with anybody. I kind of kept quiet with that one.
I was so full though, goodness.
Yeah.
Too.
But it is teeming it down outside. Not as much as it was last night, but it is raining. Whether or not we do anything now, though, is another thing. We need to be off the campsite in 2 hours.
Well, yes,
Yeah,
it's
2
nearly
hours.
10 o'clock, isn't it?
So yeah, if we go for a walk or anything, I would like to go along the beach, the coast there, but it might be a bit too wet. But if we do and we don't, well, we'll see you then. Thank you very much for watching. I think this is probably a very short video, but there wasn't much we could do in this horrible weather that we've been having. So again, thanks very much for watching. If you liked, give us a thumbs up. If you didn't like, then let us know in the comments section below. And what we really want to know, though, is how did you cope in Storm Dennis or any other storm that we've had recently? If you have any bad experiences in any storm, let us know how you survived in your motorhome or caravan. Until next time, thank you very much again for watching. I think that's the third time I said that now. Bye bye.
You silliness, aren't you? Hey?
Yeah. Yes, love. Storm Dennis is still here. It's a bit wet here. It's raining. It's cold. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. All the things we do for you guys. Get wet to show you where we are.
Oh dear.
Are we nuts, love?
Well, otherwise you'd stay in all day, wouldn't you?
Yeah, it's teeming it down. But we're having a lovely time. And look over here. That's what we're seeing. Amazing. That That is Chichester Harbour, area of outstanding natural beauty. The tide is out. If you walk from the campsite, you'll come down through this path. It's only like a 10-minute walk from the campsite, and then you end up here. Hopefully the weather will be better for you though. Thanks for watching our video. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed, or leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more video updates, or maybe even watch one of our previous videos. Bye bye now.